Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Sufyan. So our question is set E. The following table shows the distribution of the monthly household expense of a sample of 50 staff from University ABC. Find mean, median, mode, and standard deviation of the data. So since the upper limit of first data is equal to lower limit of the second data, we will use type 1. In type 1, it will produce closed boundary like this and midpoint like this. Here is the total frequency times midpoint, total frequency times midpoint power by 2. So first, to find mean. To find mean, we will use formula total frequency times midpoint divided by total frequency. 4 times 250 plus 21 times 750 plus 11 times 1250 plus 9 times 1750 plus 5 times 2250 divided by 50. So we will get 57,500 divided by 50. Our mean will be RM 1150. So to find median, the first step is to find the median position. 50 will be divided by 2, then we will get 25th position. Median in class will be 500. 2 less than 1000. The second step is we will use formula. Here is lower bound of median class, total frequency divided by 2, cumulative frequency before median class. Here is a frequency of a median class and size of median class. So 500 plus open bracket 50 divided by 2 minus 4 divided by 21 close bracket times 100 times open bracket 1000 minus 500 close bracket. So we will get 500 plus open bracket 21 divided by 21 close bracket times 500. The final answer is RM 1000.
I will explain about mode. For the highest frequency is 21. For the model class is 500 until 1000. We know it's group data, so 500 is the lower bound of model class. 21 minus 4 is the difference between model class frequency and the previous, and 21 minus 11 is difference between model class frequency and the next class. 1000 and minus 500 is the size of median class. So if we calculate, we will get 814.81.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Haiman bin Hamiri. I'm from CS110 4G. So for my turn, I will explain to you how to find the standard deviation of this problem. To find the standard deviation, first we need to find the variance. And this is the formula I use to find the variance, which is 1 divided by n minus 1 open bracket sum of fx square minus by total of sum of fx power by 2 divided by n, and then close bracket. Then we can just put the value in the formula, which is 1 over 50 minus 1 open bracket 82,125,000 minus by 57,500 powered by 2 divided by n, and then close bracket. Oh, before I forget, the 2n here is represent the total of frequency, which is 50. So I will solve the 50 minus 1 first. It's going to become 49. Then I will solve the 57,500 powered by 2 divided by 50. it's going to become 66,125,000. So now we can just solve the equation in the bracket. 82,125,000 minus by 66,125,000 equal to 16 million. Now we can just solve the equation. 1/49 times by 16 million. So the value of the variant will be Rm 326,530 ringgit and 60 cents. So after we have found the value of variance, we can just find the standard deviation value by using this formula. If you notice, the formula here is same like variance formula. So we can just put the value of the variance in here and put the square root here. So it will be square root of 326,530.61. So the value of standard deviation will become Rm 570 ringgit and 55 cents. Okay, thank you. That's all for me.